Welcome to the breathtaking journey through Captain Cook, where history, nature, and adventure come together. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable ride through lush landscapes, hidden trails, and pristine beaches. Buckle up, it's going to be an epic adventure. This is Captain Cook, a place steeped in history, named after the legendary explorer Captain James Cook, who first visited Hawaii in 1778. This place holds cultural significance, and it's near the site of the untimely death of Captain Cook in 1779. And notice the stonework. Each piece is testament of the craftsmanship of the Hawaiians. Ready for some adventure? Let's hit the trails. These paths wind through the incredible volcanic rock formations, each telling a story of the island's fiery past. The canopy overhead keeps you cool, while glimpses of the ocean ahead promises an unforgettable reward. And here it is, ocean views that are absolutely worth the trek. This is nature at its finest. The crashing waves remind us of the ocean's sheer power, while the crystal clear water invites you to dive right in. Atop this rocky hill, you get a panoramic view that will leave you in awe. It's moments like these that make Captain Cook unforgettable. Made it to the nearby beach, and the fun begins. Whether you're snorkeling in the clear waters, paddleboarding under the sun, or just soaking in the laid-back vibes, there's something here for everyone. Captain Cook has shown us the magic of Hawaii, and I want to thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep exploring.